Here are 20 facts about Brasilia, Brazil. 1. Planned city. Brasilia is a planned city built in 1960 to serve as the new capital of Brazil, replacing Rio de Janeiro. 2. Designed by Oscar Niemeyer. Famed Brazilian architect Oscar Niemeyer designed many of Brasilia's most iconic buildings, giving the city a futuristic look. 3. UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 1987, Brasilia was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its modernist architecture and unique urban planning. 4. Urban planner Lucio Costa. Lucio Costa, a Brazilian urban planner, designed the city in the shape of an airplane or bird, symbolizing progress and forward movement. 5. Capital of Brazil. Brasilia is the political capital of Brazil, housing all three branches of the Brazilian government: executive, legislative, and judicial. 6. Federal District. Brasília is located within the Federal District, Distrito Federal, which is not part of any state, similar to Washington, D.C. in the U.S. 7. Population. Brasília has a population of around 3 million people, making it the fourth largest city in Brazil. 8. Monumental axis. The monumental axis, Eixo Monumental, is Brasília's main avenue, lined with important government buildings, monuments, and museums. 9. Three Powers Square. Praça dos Três Poderes. Three Powers Square is home to the Palácio do Planalto, presidential office, the National Congress, and the Supreme Federal Court. 10. Palácio da Alvorada. The Palácio da Alvorada is the official residence of the President of Brazil, known for its sleek, modern design and reflecting pool. 11. Cathedral of Brasília. One of the city's most famous landmarks, the Cathedral of Brasília, features a hyperboloid structure of concrete and glass designed by Oscar Niemeyer. 12. Juscelino Kubitschek. Brasília was the vision of President Juscelino Kubitschek, who aimed to promote development in Brazil's interior as part of his 50 Years of Progress in 5 campaign. 13. Pilot Plan, Plano Piloto. The city's layout, known as the Pilot Plan, is divided into sectors such as residential, commercial, and governmental areas, following a highly organized structure. 14. Lake Paranoa. Brasília is built around Lake Paranoa, a large artificial lake created to increase the city's humidity and provide recreational opportunities. 15. Itamaraty Palace. The Itamaraty Palace is the headquarters of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and is renowned for its impressive modernist architecture and reflecting pools. 16. Green spaces. Brasília is known for its vast green spaces and parks, including the Brasília National Park, which is one of the largest urban parks in the world. 17. Transportation. Unlike many major cities, Brasília was designed with automobiles in mind, featuring wide roads and minimal traffic lights. Public transportation includes buses and a metro system. 18. Brasília's satellite cities. Due to limited housing in the city center, many people live in satellite cities, such as Ceilândia, Taguatinga, and Sobradinho, which are part of the metropolitan area. 19. No street names. Brasília's streets don't have names. Instead, they are organized by a grid system with numbers and letters representing different sectors and blocks. 20. Cultural scene. Brasília is home to several cultural institutions, including the National Museum, the Brasília International Film Festival,